promoting decentralization. That's, you can see that the government has no control on BTC or any other cryptocurrencies. This is like a total decentralized thing. Why is Bitcoin price so volatile? So before going all in, you must see that, like if I just go this 1 week chart, you can see it's not like that. It's always like around 37,000. So you can see at this price at this time. If I see the timing here, around it's 2022 in 10th. So that's like October, yeah, October 31st. So around this time Bitcoin used to price like 14,000 around. You can see this the here, like 14,000 something dollar. So that's like more than double right now. Like if you just count it like a year back, it's like almost a hit 100% plus. You can see we are actually facing a little bull run right here from a past couple of months. So yeah, but again, if you just go see this chart from here, it used to was like $66,000, which is pretty much peak. You see 66,000, it almost went like 69,000. It actually hit like the perfect 69,000 and then started dumping on market. And yeah, pretty much like this, and all the way down to 15,000. So this was very hard way, and this is the time when people lose faith on the decentralized thing, Bitcoin. They said, yeah, everyone's gonna go down, everything gonna go down to zero. Definitely, like people are not, I'll not say that they're lying or they don't know anything in this. This can go to zero. Nobody can control it. This is totally decentralized. If people stops trading Bitcoin, if people stop depositing it, people stops buying, people stops everything, like every country like ban these cryptos. I know like many countries who ban crypto, but still, as it's decentralized, you guys know, I don't think they can control it pretty much. So yeah, all the way down, this time people just lost their faith on Bitcoin and every other altcoins. Many other altcoins, or I'm saying the terms altcoins very much. It means altcoin means like all these coins like XRP, Solana, SOL, Dogi, Dogecoin, whatever you call it, TRX, Tron, Link, AVAX, Matic, Dot. So what are these coins? So these coins basically called altcoins, like they are